Hello guys, and welcome back to a new video on this channel. I'm Szabi from CodeRevolution. So based on popular request, Aimogen got a new extension this time. So you heard this right, it is an update, but it is a different kind of update. It is an extension. So you guys asked for the ability to use Amazon S3 for image storage, and I have here the solution, an extension for Amazon S3 to store images in the S3 of Amazon cloud storage. So let me show you how this will work. So first of all, you need to purchase this little extension, which is linked in this video description next to, as always, Aimogen, which is also linked. And afterwards you need to install it on your site and activate it. So you will see something like this: Aimogen extension, Amazon S3 image storage. And afterwards, if you go to main settings, image storage, then you will see a new settings here, copy AI images, and you will be able to select actually Amazon S3, but only after you have the Amazon S3 image storage plugin installed and active. So after you've done this, you will be able to make this selection, and you will be able to set up the plugin to send images that it creates from royalty-free sources or AI generated images to your S3 cloud storage. So let me show you how to set this up. So first of all, you will need to create a bucket. So for this, go to Amazon S3 and create a bucket. So create a bucket or use an existing bucket, but you will need to follow this tutorial video and I will show you how to set it up. So let's create a new bucket here. New bucket Aimogen. Select the region which is closest to your server. ACLs set as enabled. This is very important. Uncheck block all public access, because you will need public access to have access to the images that you upload to your server actually. And for now, you will be able to set this to create bucket. Oh, and check this checkbox, because this is required if you want to uncheck this, and click create bucket. And here it is. Our new bucket Aimogen is created, and it says that objects can be public. This is not good yet. So click on the bucket that you created and go to permissions. So this is another step that you need to do. This is also the configuration that you need to do if you have an existing bucket created. So if you have an existing bucket, go to its settings and be sure to have this checkbox unchecked. So block all public access needs to be unchecked. Okay. Scroll down. Be sure to have also the bucket ACLs set to access control list enabled. And after you have the access control list enabled, you will be able to click here access control list and click edit. And here you will see everyone public access group. Set this to read. This is required. And in this warning, click I understand the effect of these changes on my objects and buckets, and set this to read and save setting. This is needed for the images to be available publicly from your bucket. So no point in saving images to your bucket if you keep it private, as you will need to link the images in your posts, and the visitors of your site need to have access to see the images. This is why we set this to read. So as this is set up now, we will be able to access our images and our bucket is correctly set up. So we have here buckets, and if we click once again permissions, we will see that block all public access is off, and also access control list is set to read for everyone. Okay, now we will be able to go back and grab the name of our bucket. So copy this, go to main settings, and in the bucket name paste the name that you copied. Also, if you want, you can set a directory where to save images. The default one is my images. Select the region for which you created the bucket. In this case is Europe, Frankfurt. So be sure to select the same. And Amazon S3 API key, go here for this. And for this you will need to scroll down until you see access keys. Create access key, understand, create, and this is your access key. Copy it and paste it here in the API key, and also click show here and copy the secret and paste it here. Now save settings, and we are ready to go as we set up our bucket to automatically receive images that we create. So we have here a little post that we want to create, a cat in a box. So let's be sure no posts are created, and let's run the importing and the plugin, the AI generation. So it will generate a post for us, and in it will create an image which will be sent to Amazon S3 storage. So this generation of the post will take a bit. Until then, I will be showing you once again these credentials, so don't bother using these because I will delete them after this video. Also, yeah, this will be the bucket where we will be saving. We can click on the bucket and no objects are uploaded yet, so this will list soon our image as it will be uploaded. So here it is, my images, and we have in the new bucket Aimogen, we have 2 images so far. Okay, and the green check mark appeared, a cat in a box, and if we inspect this, we have new bucket Aimogen.s3 EU central 1 amazonws.com. So this is the image that was saved for Aimogen images to our WS server, and this other image is also new bucket Aimogen.s3. So it is saved on our Amazon S3 storage. So this is how you will be able to benefit of this new feature. Simply be sure to install Aimogen extension, which is linked in this video description. Aimogen is also linked, and you will be able to set up S3 as a storage for images generated by Aimogen. So go ahead guys and let me know any suggestion or idea that you might have for Aimogen or for other plugins that I created in this video's description, and I will be glad to read them and respond to them. So yeah, like, share, subscribe, it's really appreciated. Thank you for watching until the end. Until next time, bye bye.